This Bantu knot is what you're going to be creating here. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, this Bantu knot, we're going to be creating it together. So if you love a very beautiful twist braid with Bantu knot at the tip, then you should sit back and watch how I do this myself on my scalp. You want to learn how to do your own hair yourself, then stick back and watch this video from beginning to end. Thank you. So before we get going, please click on that subscribe button to be a part of this community, because definitely I keep dropping very beautiful hair and makeup tips on this channel. Like, share to your friends, share to your family, comment. I want to hear your thoughts about this hairstyle. What do you think about it? Is this something you'll be recreating? I want to hear you. Thank you. So this hairstyle has two ways you can actually do it. You can decide to do the Bantu knot as soon as you finish with your twisting, or you can decide to twist all of the hair, then you start making that Bantu knot. But I like to do this on the get-go. As I'm twisting, I am doing the Bantu knot. To get your Bantu knot, just hold the hair that you have already twisted or braided at the middle, like to the length you want the Bantu knot to be. Then just turn it and start rolling it on the hair. You roll and roll on the hair. Just follow these tips that I'm doing here. Just roll. You can see I'm rolling it around the hair. So when you roll it and roll it, then you knot it afterwards. Knot it and tie it like 2 times, so it will be very, very tight. So guys, I will just leave you to watch this video to the very end. Thank you. So lovelies, you have to just burn it a little bit, just the rough edges, like the when you knot it, the little portion that is left, you can just burn that, or you can just cut. Cutting can also sort that, but I prefer to burn to keep it very firm. So guys, what do you think of the final look of this hair? I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Please click the subscribe button, like, share to your friends, share to your family, share to your loved ones, and thank you so much for watching this video to the very end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.